So now that the product has been glazed, we go to the last process of putting a protective powder on top of our glaze, which does our 3 steps on the glazing process. And after that, the products are gonna cool, are gonna get picked up, and they're gonna be taken to the kiln, where they're going to be cooked for an hour to an hour and a half minimum. That's the minimum amount of time that you should be cooking products. Unlike many companies, they'll do it for 20 or 15 minutes. This is our 2cm production. This is our Snow White being made right here. The entire production on the factory now is for Hardscape.com for the next 4 months. So we can introduce the product throughout North America. So here it is. They're getting ready to go into the kiln for cooking.
So this reads the curvature.
No,